Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Babytime Baby 1S baby monitor. So I'm going to show you how to do it on both the camera monitor and the display receiver. You might want to do this for a variety of reasons. If the camera and the receiver will not connect with each other, or the receiver is frozen, or they keep disconnecting, or you're having any kind of troubleshooting issues like this, a hard reset can fix a lot of these problems. So now the only thing you need to do this is like a paper clip or a pin or something. Just make sure it's not too sharp. You can use one of these iPhone SIM card ejectors. They work really well. And you just need to find the reset pinhole on each device, which on the camera itself, it is in the front, right underneath the camera area. You'll need to lift this up where you put in the SD card and everything like that. You will press and hold that for a couple of seconds, and that will reset the camera. And likewise on the monitor, on the left side of the monitor at the bottom, right where you charge it in, where the USB plug is to charge in, there is another reset hole. And the same thing, you'll put the pin in and hold it in there for about 5 seconds, and that will reset the monitor. So hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.